Is Pinterest ghosting your messages? Let's get those conversations flowing again with these simple fixes. First, let's tackle the basics. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal can prevent messages from sending or receiving. Try switching to mobile data or connecting to a different Wi-Fi network to see if that resolves the issue. Next, close and reopen the Pinterest app. This simple step can often clear minor glitches that might be interfering with messaging functionality. Swipe up on your phone or tablet, depending on your device, to close the app completely. Then, tap the Pinterest icon to relaunch it. Now, make sure your Pinterest app is up to date. Outdated apps can have bugs that cause messaging problems. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Pinterest, and if there's an update button, tap it. Time to dive into your Pinterest settings. Go to your profile, tap the three dots or settings icon, and then select notifications. Make sure that message notifications are enabled. Sometimes they can accidentally get turned off, blocking incoming messages. Clear the Pinterest app cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Go to your phone settings, find apps or application manager, locate Pinterest, and tap clear cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your pins or boards. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Pinterest support. They can provide personalized assistance and address any account-specific issues that might be preventing messaging from working. Now you're all set to get back to sharing those amazing ideas and connecting with fellow pinners.